Hey guys, Manny again here from Contempo Building Corp. We're just at one of our projects just north of Toronto, and this project is very unique. It has amazing views, great outdoor areas. We got a pond, we got a stream running through the property. It used to be a bungalow. We're putting another second story, rehauling everything, adding massive square footage. And this project has it all actually. We're doing everything from septic tanks, water wells, indoor swimming pools, renewable energy. Come take a look. We'll give you a quick tour just of the construction process, and then we'll show you after once we're done with it.